Front image has our Native American warrior here, promptly displayed, promptly. He is on time? Gosh. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review video. Today we're taking a look at the Playmobil Special Plus set number 70878, the Warrior with Panther. We are taking a look at this in my car this morning. I just wanted to get this made as soon as possible. We got this at a store called Toys That Teach in Richmond, Virginia, and they are officially closing by September 1st. And this is one of the last things we will ever have bought from them. The store owner has decided to retire. The front image has our Native American warrior prominently displayed with his companion Panther. Looks really nice. I like how they used this sort of setting for this particular picture. One of the best things about these Playmobil packages is the photography. I have to give it to whoever's in charge of this thing. I know it looks very simple, but at the same time it's very effective, I think. But I do really think it's cool that he's got these little Wolverine claws on both hands. I usually get Clickies that have them on one hand. And then I like the paint marks on his face and even on the Panther there. Looking at one side of the box, we have a continuation of the front image. Moving over to the other side, we have the Special Plus brand logo and the barcode. Top of the box has the country of manufacture and of origin. Bottom of the box has the beginning of our choking hazard warnings. Back of the box has the remainder of the choking hazard warnings and also the pictures of our contents photographed individually. So I'm pretty excited to have this one. I think he was pretty cool looking, couldn't pass him up, and I don't have a lot of Native American figures, and I thought it'd be a nice addition to the collection here. So enough with the packaging details, let's crack this baby open and check out what's inside. Alright, so here he is, and strangely enough when I opened the box, and I don't remember if the other Special Plus figures did this, but this one did not come with a little mini catalog. That was it. I don't know if they forgot to put one in there or if they are not putting them in there for Special Plus figures. I did open up the DJ recently and I think she had one of those catalogs, but I'm not really complaining because I just tend to throw them out anyway. Got to use both hands to do this, and so God willing that the phone stays up on my dashboard. I had the car on and it was shaking like crazy. I have the AC going. Alright, let's check out his spear first. This is not quite black. Looks like a very dark, just like smoke gray. I like the color of this. I like how it matches the overall darkness of the warrior's highlights, like his claws, his gloves, his hair, and then the Panther, of course. So that's nice. Followed by the decor, the feathers that go onto the spear. Okay, thank goodness we got it finally. And that's what it looks like. This was not easy to put on because they have these little rivets here that obviously prevent this from sliding and slipping and getting lost. And that's the part you have to get over. And the worst part of it is the danger of bending the spear as you're trying to fit these loops in through the spear like that so it holds. But either way, we got it on and that's okay. So next is our Panther. Really nice figure. Does have movability in the legs, so the legs are articulated. Tail is articulated. And the neck is articulated. No open mouth, but I'm okay with that. The menacing yellow eyes kind of gives this Panther a mean, ferocious, and extremely serious look. Definitely intimidating to the warrior's enemies, I'm sure. Nothing too outstanding about this. No feathers, no sort of decor to put on it whatsoever. But that's all right. We'll take it as is. And then here's our Clicky Warrior. Really nice costume here. It kind of looks like something out of, Black Panther, the movie, the Marvel movie. Who knows? This could be inspired by it. I'm not sure. I'm guessing it's a Native American. I don't know otherwise. But anyway, really cool decoration on the pants and the boots. And he comes with a few accessories. Let's go ahead and take a look at those. Starting with the Wolverine claws. They just fit really nicely over the hands. We'll take a look at that right now. Then he has a little peg here for the knife sheath. Let me get that real quick. The worst part about doing these in the car is that there's always room to drop stuff and not find it. So yeah, it has this little pocket thing here. And again, it has to clip upward, which makes no sense to me. Why would it clip up to fasten? I don't know. And then here's his here's his dagger, gold dagger. Nothing too outstanding about it. I've seen it in 100 or more other clickies. And oh jeez, why can't I get it in? There we go. Now will it stay in? Yeah, it's got some. It's kind of secure in there, which is great. Really nice. Okay, let's take a look at the figure from a further distance. All right, and here we have our warrior and his panther. Pretty nice all together. This looks like a really cool army building type figure. I could see multiple versions of this with the different hairstyle. So that right there, guys, marks the end of this unboxing and review video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, please give it a thumbs up anyway. I could really use the support. But anyway, guys, that is it. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up and follow us on Instagram. We've got plenty more on the way, and we will see you next week. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.